Up first this evening, the Energy Minister, Dr. Andrew Wheatley, says he's taking action to deal with some of the allegations that have emerged in recent times about the spending practices at Petrojams.
The minister, calling the allegations grave and troubling, summoned 3 directors of the entity's board to a meeting today seeking answers. Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
For weeks, questions have been raised in Parliament about how the state-run refinery Petrojams has been spending its money. The concerns include where it targets donations, its hiring practices, and the contracts it has signed. Energy Minister Dr. Wheatley is to provide answers. He told me he would do so in the House in the near future. But ahead of that, he says he is taking action. So far, 3 board members, Chairman Dr. Percival Baudou Singh, and the directors Richard Curry and Harold Malcolm were summoned to a meeting on Friday. Dr. Wheatley said his decision to meet with the directors was prompted by the preliminary findings of an investigation into what he calls grave and troubling matters at Petrojams. The minister said he will use his powers to take decisive action to deal with all those matters currently affecting the entity. He has also asked for the public to be patient as he addressed all relevant issues. Earlier this week, Petrojams officials, including General Manager Floyd Grindley, were in Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, PAAC, facing questions about the entity's spending as well as the high attrition rate. Members of the committee expressed dissatisfaction after Mr. Grindley was unable to provide answers to some questions. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.